Hey there everyone! Today I am going to flip through Chibi Girls Halloween by Coco Wyo. I am going to talk through this, so if you prefer no talking, go ahead and mute it. You can even speed it up. So, you can get a free digital coloring book, by the way, which is pretty cool. This is Amazon printed paper, so keep that in mind. I wanted to share it because something about chibis, I just love coloring chibis, especially with markers. One thing I like about CocoWyo is some already have the black background, so that kind of saves you the stress of a background. And I did have this on my recent coloring haul video, so if you want to go check out other books I got. I tend to go for the Halloween Chibis as well. Oh, that's adorable. Really cute. Let me know if you'd like to see any color alongs, tutorials. Like I said, I typically do chibis in markers. So I own quite a few different brands of markers, and I don't mind doing color alongs with them. Oh, that's cute. Is that the one on the cover? No. It's cute, though. I did have some requests from my haul to flip through a few books, and this was one of them. Oh, that one would be so fun. Now, if you use markers in the Amazon paper itself, I would not use your more expensive brands like your Copics and whatnot. I usually use my Ohuhu to go in, or Sharpie. That is adorable. And the reason for that is this Create Space paper is basically just printer paper. That one's really cute too. She's a little puppet. And it'll soak up more ink than normal because it's very thirsty. And then also it really can tear up your delicate nibs, and Copic nibs are not cheap, nor it's replacement ink. So I would use your Ohuhus in here, Arteza markers I've used in here. Just those cheaper brands. Arctics is another. Oh, that's cute. So many pumpkins. Love it. Let's see, black background. You will get the lines. That's with all these Amazon ones. That's the cover, right? I finally got the cover one. Yeah, that's cute. But yeah, I think I like to do markers in these just because they're very big and open. It's a little faster coloring as well. But it's just one of my favorite ways to color chibi and kawaii style artwork. It's just markers. And I mean, I have to really break the spine on that. Most artists who like create anime and whatnot use markers. So it's kind of just what the line art screams for, I guess. That one's really pretty, actually. I really like that one. That's cute. Her little ghost cats. These are really cute. This is going to be a fun one for Halloween. You can get this on Amazon, so I'll leave a link in the description below. I like it because it's not like gory. It's just cute. I don't like gore. I like the cutesy stuff. Oh, that's precious. That one is really precious. That one is too. Some don't have the black background, but no biggie. Oh my gosh, that one. I love that one. All right. Okay, and then she has tons, or CocoWyo brand, I should say, has tons of other books. Here's the back in case you want to kind of see, but tons of other books online, including more Halloween ones, but this is just one I happened to grab. So let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a color along or anything like that with any of these. And until next time, take care. Bye now.